How to fix page numbers in Word not working. So you try to add a page number to your document, but instead of a sequential count, Microsoft Word completely breaks your layout. Either it prints page 1 on every single page, the count completely freezes, or the number morph into a bizarre code string like brackets, page, brackets. Today, we are cleaning and clearing these formatting bugs and forcing Word's background indexing engine to calculate your pages flawlessly. And firstly, we will fix the most common issue, page 1 repeating on every single page. This happens because you double-clicked the footer and manually typed the number 1. Word treats manual text as a static label, duplicating it everywhere. To fix this, you can just double-click your footer layer. So I just went ahead and created one for you guys. So just double-click here in the bottom of the page, then your footer and header interface will appear, and then just go ahead and delete this number, whatever it is for you. And now look up at your active header and footer tab, click page number right here, select bottom of page, and pick your layout style. I'll just choose the second. And as you can see, this injects a dynamic field code instead of raw text. And now, what if your page numbers look like a terrifying code block that says brackets page? So don't panic, guys. You didn't break anything. You just accidentally toggled Word's raw backend view. In order to turn that off, just look at your keyboard and then just press Alt plus F9 on your keyboard. And this shortcut instantly toggles the system away from raw field codes and snaps your actual numbers back into view. And now the second major bug is when your numbers suddenly freeze or restart back at 1 halfway through your document. This is caused by hidden section breaks cutting off your formatting sequence. So to link your counts back together, scroll to the page where the numbering goes wrong and then just double-click the footer. Move your cursor directly over the broken number, right-click it, and then select Format Page Numbers from the context menu. Alright, and a small properties panel will pop up, and look at the bottom section labeled Page Numbering. So switch the selection from Start at 1 to the radio button that says Continue from Previous Section, like this. And then click OK. And your pagination will instantly heal itself across the entire document canvas. And by doing this, your document headers and footers are now perfectly linked, ensuring your page tracking indices stay flawless no matter how many files or sections you append. That is it, guys. Hopefully this helped. If so, like and subscribe.